Okay, so it's been exactly 6 days since I coated the roof. Looks pretty good. There's still a couple of wrinkles, and they have been going down. Um, let's see, I coated it on a Saturday. Stopped at 1 o'clock. About 3 o'clock, it started raining really hard. It rained the rest of the day. So it was only up here for, I don't know, 2, maybe 3 hours before it started raining. And it rained most of that day. It stopped a little bit of sun on Sunday, and it rained some more. So it wasn't a really good weekend to coat this, but it's the only weekend I had available to do it. So it looks pretty good. It looks really good. It coated. Everything's really solid. You can see some of these little wrinkles that are still here, but they have been going down. Have been kind of peeking up each day. And it's a nice surface, so I'm really happy with it.